What's up, everybody? Deluxe here, and we are about to do a hive removal. Go check it out. All right. Feels pretty heavy. Yep, it's full. It is full. Wow, look at that. Check it out, y'all. That is a happy beehive. Now let's see if we can find our queen. That is a happy beehive. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Good looking comb, really established. So far they're pretty mellow, but once I start getting them off of here, they're going to be pretty upset, understandably. All right, where's my queen? Where are you at? Where's my queen? Sometimes it takes a while to find her. That thing is pretty cool. Look at that. Y'all see that? That's a pretty cool looking hive right there. Awesome. It's nice. Structure is great. A little bit of honey down in there. All right, we're gonna continue to look for this queen. Y'all see that okay? A couple more pieces down in here. What's up, everybody? Deluxe here. So this is the hive that we just rescued from our boy Jimmy J, CEO. If you guys aren't following him, go check that guy out. Super cool dude, great cook, and he wanted to save some bees that he was up by his house. So give that guy a follow and a shout. So here we go. I'm about to open this thing up, and hopefully these bees do okay. And we're gonna come back and check on them in a couple days. This video is now on my YouTube. Go check it out, hit me a subscribe, let me know that you did. I'll give you a shout in my Instagram story. Deluxe Barbecue and Beekeeping. It ain't that hard. Go give me a subscribe, check it out. Hope you like the video, give me a thumbs up. All right, you guys, I'm a peace out. Hopefully these bees do okay. There they go. Look at that. They're like, hey, look at that. We're in our new home. Check it out. Check it out. All right. Well, we're going to let them do their thing and come back and check on them in a couple days. Oh.